Major design changes for S25 Ultra. So now that we know what the Galaxy S25 Ultra may look like, let me tell you that it's a significant departure from what we've seen recently. Sal, how are you all doing? So for its Ultra phones, Samsung has adopted a more boxy, rectangular form in recent years. Sharp edges and smooth surfaces combine to produce a sleek, polished appearance, as seen in the S24 Ultra. Samsung seems to be reversing direction, however. The S25 Ultra is expected to have a much more rounded shape, according to Ice Universe. Are we talking about how round? According to him, the S25 Ultra will have edges as rounded as the notorious 2016 Galaxy Note 7. Yes, symmetrical bezels and a more subdued aesthetic are in the works. Let's talk about it straight now before you start asking about a curved screen. The display on the S25 Ultra should stay flat. For fans of the S Pen, however, there's good news. Samsung isn't giving up on the pen. In addition to a housing slot, the S25 Ultra will still include dedicated S Pen compatibility. We have a few more intriguing information about the S25 Ultra, but first, let me remind you that Samsung is presently offering $50 in credit for reserving the company's next Galaxy device. Additionally, a fortunate participant will earn a massive $5,000. Additionally, according to Ice Universe, the 8.4mm thick S25 Ultra will be the thinnest S Ultra phone ever. It is 0.2mm more compact than the S24 Ultra. The Note 20 Ultra, which has a thickness of 8.1mm, is still the thinnest Ultra phone. It is crucial to note. Fascinatingly, Ice Universe asserts that Samsung won't skimp on the camera modules even with the thinner design. This suggests that they will probably stick out a little bit more than the existing phone. Afterward, a recent report said that Samsung would drop its Exynos processor for the S25 range in favor of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in every area because of problems with the Exynos 2500's manufacturing. While that appears plausible, a recent rumor suggests that in certain places, the S25 and S25 Plus may use a MediaTek processor, while the S25 Ultra may still use the Qualcomm. Although it comes from a less reliable source in South Korea, this rumor raises the possibility that Samsung is considering it in light of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's increasing price, which is reportedly 30% more than that of its predecessor. Samsung could be able to keep prices for the regular and Plus versions stable by using MediaTek. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.